Tēnā koutou katoa. So I want to welcome you in today to this kōrero that we're having about the new calendar that we are releasing. So many of you will know that we had our last run of Te Toru Nui o Matariki, our 3-year calendar cycle, which is based on our environmentally driven calendar system, which includes the sun, the stars, the moon, and all manner of natural phenomenon change in ecology. And we've got the second run of that. We've made some slight changes and improvements to our calendar system, and you can see here, so again it's called Te Toru Nui o Matariki and will run across a 3-year cycle. It incorporates, similar to last time, it uses the star, or the early morning rising star, that marks the beginning of a particular lunar month. So all of the names of the months that we've already discussed are actually names of stars which are also given to the names of the month. And we've got this dial that we're using this time around. So the dial, the big circle, the pointer actually moves across the different months, and it will move, and you can move it from Pipiri, the first month, to Takurua, or also known as Honoi, the second month, to the third month, and so on. And at the top of each of those, at the top of the pointer for each of the months, you'll see the various stars that are actually the markers that tell you what month you're in. We also have this dial here, which moves across the different lunar phases. So on this side you'll see the word whanake. Whanake means to wax and get brighter, and as it moves across the different lunar phases, it gets all the way around to Rākau Nui, which is the full moon, and then it comes on the other side of the calendar, which is Roroku, or to wane, which the moon gets darker and darker and gets back to Whiro. And when it gets to Whiro, you know that you've shifted from one lunar month to the next, and you change the top dial, pointing into the next month. So this is how the system works. It has a couple of cool features going on. Apart from knowing the month and also following the lunar phases themselves, we've got a connection here to the sun. Here are the dates for the solstice, what Māori call Te taka ngō te rā. So Te taka ngō te rā i te hōtoke, the winter solstice, Te taka ngō te rā i te raumati, the summer solstice, and gives you actually the dates when they will happen across the 3-year Te Toru Nui o Matariki calendar period. It has a little bit of kōrero pertaining to each of the different months, the stars that mark those months, and also some of the activities that go on. For instance, right over here, if we come all the way over here to Hui Tanguru, also known as the Iwo Ruhi, it's marked by the Schaefer beetle. So its name is Tanguru. Hui Tanguru means the gathering of the Schaefer beetle, which is a creature that in the height of summer in that month, they swarm together in great numbers. And when you get to the beginning of the month, which is Whiro, that is the marker of the beginning of the month, and that's actually the star that marks the month of the season that we're in. Also have this table here, because lunar month and solar month are not the same thing. So I know people, for instance, will look at the name Mahuru and think that's September. But this year actually, Mahuru began on the 3rd of September and ended on the 2nd of October. They don't match the solar months. So it allows you to understand where you are in your calendar system from a Māori perspective, and also understand where you are in the correct Western month and when your actual lunar months begin and end in relation to the Western months. It's also got this pretty cool QR code down the bottom that allows you to go over clips, information, giving you more detailed explanation and understanding about how the calendar system works. So if you're interested in the calendar, please go on to our website, www.livingbythestars.co.nz, which is also going to be included in the comment section below. It's also a pretty cool Living by the Stars YouTube channel where you can see waiata that's connected to the different months of the year and also to the different lunar phases, and hand actions that will help you sink into the calendar system. So all of you that supported our calendar system the last Te Tau Toru Nui o Matariki, thank you very much, and hopefully this is of interest to you as well. Ka nui te mihi ki a koutou katoa tēnā koutou.